Hello, Kevin, and everyone over there at KJO Architecture. My name is Charles. I'm with Warley Digital. We are a full-service digital marketing agency. And the reason I'm sending you this video, first of all, is that I realize you guys are not that far from me. And also, a lot of the projects you've done, I go by a lot, almost every day. You know, like the Trenton Ave party cages, York Street castles. I don't live that far. I'm located on Lehigh Ave. But second reason I want to do this is because I know a lot of business owners like yourselves are very busy and might not have the time to learn about optimization, or just don't have the time to implement certain optimization things that can help you get in front of your clients when people search for you on Google, for your services on Google. For example, if someone's searching for architecture firms in Philadelphia, um, you get a whole bunch of results, which I'm going to go talk about. But it would be good for you to be here on the front page, because about 70% of the people who search for any service, any local service, stay on the front page. So it's important to be found up here. So the three things I want to talk about, these are just 3 free tips. Feel free to use them, implement them yourself, or give them to your website or SEO person if you have one currently. If you like what you see and you'd like to go ahead and work with me, I'd love to discuss that. So the 3 tips I want to talk about are content, citations, and backlinks. So starting off, content has everything to do with what's on your front page. All the words, all the text, the pictures, words behind the pictures, everything that I highlighted in blue, all that is content. Now you can see, if I try and save one of your pictures, I can tell that it's saved as a random string of numbers, actually. Numbers and letters. This as well. So it's important to save your pictures with keywords. Keywords are the phrases that people looking for a service would type. For example, if I didn't know who KJO Architecture was and I wanted to find an architecture firm in Philadelphia, I'll probably type this, architecture firms in Philadelphia, and look at the results. So, like I said, 70% of people will not leave the first page if they can. You can see in this kind of search, I see a lot of directories and magazines. So here, someone will probably go to the next page. And what I was thinking is that I'm going to use one of your competitors, Toner Architects, because they're already here, as a comparison throughout this video. So that's actually, let's look at their site. Let's look at their content. They have quite a bit of content, quite a bit more words than you guys. Google optimizes for about 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative, keyword-saturated content for your front page. And also your other back pages should have enough keywords so that they also rank, and Google recognizes, puts them in front of relevant searches. So I'll definitely increase the amount of text on your front page if possible, and remember to save your pictures as with keywords, what your potential clients will be looking for. Second thing I want to talk about is citations. Now, citations, let's go back to the search here. Citations have everything to do with what's known as the map pack here. So this map pack is a list of 3 businesses with a map, and with a short link here that you can go on and see other businesses within the map pack. So a lot of the times you'll have Google ads as well in the map pack. I don't really like clicking on ads myself, and also a lot of people these days have ad blockers. So Google ads are always a hit or a miss. Now, how do you rank higher and higher in this map pack? Because it's always on the front page, it's important to be here. We do that with citations. Citations are anywhere online, in online directories, that your name, address, and phone number are listed exactly as they are on your Google page, on your Google My Business page. So the more authoritative and higher quantity citations you have, the higher you'll rank in this map pack. And by directories, I mean sites like LinkedIn, Yelp, Dexnos, Yext, superpages.com, yellowpages.com, whitepages.com, etc. Different directories, especially if they're more relevant to what you do as an architecture firm. More directories you're in, the higher you'll rank here. The third thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Now, if you think of the internet as a collection of web pages all linked together, a backlink is when one web page links or directs traffic to your website. So, for example, if there's a forum on architecture in Philadelphia and they have a blog, and on that blog they say something good about KJO architecture, and have a link to your site, that's considered a strong backlink. Google sees that, sees it's relevant. Not all backlinks are the same, because imagine if it's a Pizza Hut that's linking to you. That wouldn't make a lot of sense, especially if it's a Pizza Hut in a different location like New Orleans. So Google recognizes that and knows that that's not relevant, that's a bit spammy, and does not count that as a strong backlink. I have a tool called Ahrefs. It's a popular tool. And with it, you can, I searched your competitor, turnerarc.com, and you can tell what kind of backlinks they have. And that is part of the reason why they're ranking. Right now it's on the second page, but that's why they're ranking here. Now, you can go in using these tools, look at all the domains that are giving them backlinks. You can actually look at the backlinks themselves. If here, let me click here, backlinks. And it would be up to you guys to go in and look at these, your website or SEO person, look at the different backlinks that your competitor has. Make sure you appear in those backlinks and not only, or in similar quality backlinks, but not only that, double or triple the amount of backlinks so that you're sure, very sure to appear ahead of your competition. Now that does take some time, especially in a competitive field like architecture in Philadelphia, for the location Philadelphia. However, it is possible to begin ranking higher than your competition. It will take a bit of research to find out which backlinks are specific or relevant to you, but in time you can be able to beat your competitors. So those are the three things I wanted to talk about: backlinks, citations, and content. One last tidbit I want to mention, because we're already here in this tool, are keywords, organic keywords. These is how they are attracting traffic to their site. For example, architect Philadelphia. That keyword, it's searched for about 700 times, and they get about 35 people going to their website because they're in position 7 for that keyword. Architecture firms in Philadelphia, that's the one we searched for. 900 people search for that per month, and they get 17 people because they're in the 14th position. So it is a numbers game where you can research your competitors' keywords, find out the traffic that's going to them because of those keywords. And then with the combination of good backlinks, citations, and good content on your site, you'd be able to start ranking higher and higher for those keywords. Thanks a lot for your time, Kevin, and everyone over there at KJO Architecture. Once again, my name is Charles, and I am with Warley Digital, helping clients find you. If you'd like to work with us, I would love that. If not, no harm, no foul. Give these tips to your website or SEO person and have them implement them and see more and more traffic, more and more phone calls coming to you. And hopefully that will help you grow your business. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.